Hello dear students, in this video we will solve some algebraic equations to frame quadratic equation, and then we will find the roots of the quadratic equations derived by using a suitable method. The first question in this video is, we need to find the roots of the equation x minus 1 by x equals to 3, where x cannot be 0. The value of x cannot be 0, as 1 by 0 will result into a number which cannot be defined. So we should not get the value of x as 0. So given to us is the equation x minus 1 by x equals to 3. So first and foremost, let's assign 1 as the denominator of this x such that we can take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 1 and x will be x. So our LCM is x. Now 1x is x. So multiplying with x, we will get x square. Minus x and x are similar. So 1 ones will give us 1. So we have got x squared minus 1 by x equals to 3. So on taking this x to the right hand side, we will get x squared minus 1 equals to 3 into x, 3x. Now let's shift 3x to the LHS in order to get quadratic equation of the standard form. X squared minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Now this equation, this quadratic equation right here, cannot be splitted, as 1 is 1, but 1 plus 1 or 1 minus 1, neither of them will result in 3. So we have to solve this quadratic equation using the other two methods, any of the two other method, either completing the square method or by using the quadratic formula. Here we are using quadratic formula. You can try finding the roots of the equation using the method of completing the square as well. On comparing with the standard form of quadratic equation, here we have the coefficient of x squared, a equals to 1, the coefficient of x equals to minus 3, that is b equals to minus 3, and the constant term c equals to minus 1. Now let's find the discriminant of this quadratic equation. D equals to b squared minus 4ac. On putting the values, d equals to minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. D equals to minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9, minus into minus plus, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, that is plus 4. 9 plus 4 will give us 13, so the value of discriminant is 13. In order to find the roots, the formula is the quadratic formula, x equals to minus b plus minus root over d by 2a. On putting the values, x equals to minus, the value of b is minus 3 plus minus under root d, d is 13, so under root 13 by 2 into 1, the value of a is 1. Minus into minus plus, so we'll get 3 plus minus root over 13 by 2 1s are 2. 13 here is a prime number, so root 13 cannot be factorized further. So we'll simply write the two roots as x equals to 3 plus root 13 by 2, and the other root as x equals to 3 minus root over 13 by 2. Now the next question is, we need to solve for x, and the equation is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equals to 11 by 30. And we should not get the value of x as minus 4 or 7. The given equation. Now on taking the LCM of the denominators of the quantities that we have on the left hand side, we will get the LCM as x plus 4 into x minus 7. Since we don't have any common factors in the LCM, so we can simply cross multiply. X x minus 7 into 1 are x minus 7 minus x plus 4 into 1 are x plus 4 equals to 11 by 30. Now in the denominator we have binomial into binomial. So we will multiply the quantities that we have in the second bracket one by one with the quantities that we have in the first bracket. X into x minus 7 plus 4 into x minus 7. And simplifying the numerator, we simply need to open the quantities that we have in the second bracket with minus sign. X minus 7, minus into plus, minus x, minus into plus, minus 4 equals to 11 by 30. Here we can cancel plus x and minus x. So now we have in the denominator x into x is x squared, plus into minus minus, 7 into x minus 7x, plus into plus plus 4 into x 4x. So plus 4x. Finally plus into minus minus, 4 sevens are 28. Minus minus plus, the sign will be minus. 7 plus 4 will give us 11. So minus 11 equals to 11 by 30. Further simplifying the equation, we will get minus 11 by x squared minus plus minus. 7 is the bigger number, so we will get minus as the overall sign. 7 minus 4 will be 3. So minus 3x minus 28 equals to 11 by 30. Since we have the common numerator as 11, so we can cancel it. 11 into minus 1s are minus 11 and 11 ones are 11. So our equation has reduced to minus 1 by x squared minus 3x minus 28 equals to 1 by 30. Now on cross multiplying, we will get 1 into x squared minus 3x minus 28 as x squared minus 3x minus 28 equals to 30 into minus 1s are minus 30. Now let's bring minus 30 to the left hand side. So we will get x squared minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equals to 0. X squared minus 3x plus minus minus, 30 is the bigger number, so we will get the overall sign as plus. 30 minus 28 will be 2. So plus 2 equals to 0. So our quadratic equation is x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. This can be factorized using the method of splitting the middle term quite easily, as 1 2s is 2, the coefficient of x squared is 1 and the constant term is 2. 1 2s is 2 and 1 plus 2 can give us the middle term 3. Since the sign of the middle term is minus, so we can assign minus sign to both 2 and 1. Our equation can be split as x squared minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 equals to 0. Here we have split the middle term minus 3x as minus 2x minus 1x. Minus minus plus, but sign will remain minus, and 2x plus 1x will give us 3x. Now we will group these terms into two groups, the first two terms in the first group and the last two terms in the second group. And then we will take common from both the groups. From the first group, the common term can be taken as x, as we have x in both the terms. So on taking x common from the first group, in the first term we had x squared, so that is we had 2x's. So after taking 1x common, we will be left with 1x. And from the second term, since we had 2x and x has been taken common, so we'll be left with minus 2. X into x minus 2 from the first group. From the second group, we can take 1 as common from both the terms, and since we don't have x in both the terms, so we will have common as 1 only. Since the first sign is minus, so we will take minus sign as the common, so minus 1. And inside the bracket, we will get x minus 2. The middle sign will be opposite, as minus into minus will give us plus, equals to 0. X minus 2 is common, so we will have x minus 1 in one bracket and x minus 2 in the common in the second bracket, equals to 0. Now, either x minus 1 equals to 0. On taking minus 1 to the other side, we will get x equals to 1, or x minus 2 should be equals to 0. So on taking minus 2 to the other side, we will get x equals to 2. So the two roots of this particular equation is 1 and 2. Now, these are similar questions for your practice. So try to solve these questions.